Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can bypass certain apps inside of Windows Defender so that it no longer detects them as a threat. So let's have a look now. Click the Windows button and click on Settings. Now open Update and Security. Click and now from the left sidebar, select Windows Security. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. After that, scroll down and under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click on Manage Setting. At the bottom, you will see Exclusions. Click on it, and here you can add or remove exclusions. Click Add an exclusion and add your file. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.